I would say the three things that are keeping personal trainers and coaches broke is the lack of vulnerability, their willingness to put themselves out there, to test and retest. Does it work? Does it not? The fear of rejection. A lot of people pretend and act like, oh, I'm not afraid of rejection, or I'm not like this. But when you start to put yourself out there, your ideas, your heart, your creativity, your philosophy, you realize really quickly how afraid of rejection you are. And you mold yourself in a way that I'm going to try to avoid rejection at all costs. So vulnerability, rejection, the ability to be truthful with themselves and who they are as a coach. Are you actually a high-end, high-quality coach that cares, that's consistent, that shows up, that is dedicated to your own health, your own fitness, emotionally, psychologically, physically? Are you actually that coach? Or are you someone who pretends to be that because you want to look a certain way or act a certain way or talk a certain way? If you can't be truthful with who you are as a coach, why you're doing it, how you do it, and what you do for people and the benefits of it, you're never going to be able to create a sustainable income. If you can't address those issues, vulnerability and rejection, I would say those are the three things that I see most that keep coaches broke. And these are the things that kept me broke for more than a decade of owning my own business and being a personal trainer and coach.